Now, next letter is P. Pia has a pet parrot, and her parrot like to eat pineapple. So it always say, I want pineapple. Pineapple. I want pineapple. Pineapple. पियाकडे एक पेट पॅरट आहे आणि तो पॅरट नेहमी म्हणत असतो, आय वॉन्ट पायनॅपल. 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 Yes. So the sound of letter P is